Welcome back to the Grand Motorhomes. Today, we're stepping into a world of British elegance and high-performance luxury as we explore the breathtaking 2026 Jaguar Motorhome. A bold reimagination of grand touring, transformed into a futuristic mobile sanctuary. Jaguar has always stood for performance, refinement, and unmistakable design. And now, the 2026 Jaguar Motorhome brings that same DNA into the luxury RV segment, combining electric innovation, sculpted beauty, and first-class comfort in one extraordinary package. From the very first glance, the 2026 Jaguar Motorhome looks unlike anything else on the road. The front fascia carries Jaguar's signature slim LED headlight design with a smooth, closed electric-style grille, giving it a sleek and aerodynamic face. The sculpted body lines flow effortlessly from front to rear, creating a sense of motion even while standing still. The side profile is dramatic yet refined, featuring flush glass panels, dynamic lighting accents, and large panoramic windows that stretch across the living space. Every curve is designed for airflow efficiency and visual sophistication, ensuring this motorhome doesn't just travel, it glides. The platform is expected to be built on Jaguar's next-generation electric architecture, offering a high-capacity battery system engineered for long-distance touring. Solar integration panels on the roof provide additional support for off-grid living, while a multi-axle layout ensures balanced weight distribution and exceptional road stability. Step inside, and you're immediately surrounded by an atmosphere of contemporary British luxury. The interior design is minimalist yet deeply premium, with soft leather seating, brushed aluminum accents, open-pore wood finishes, and carefully layered ambient lighting. Jaguar's design philosophy focuses on driver and passenger harmony, and that's evident in every detail. The main lounge area features modular seating that transforms from a relaxing entertainment zone into a formal dining space. Smart panoramic glass windows adjust tint levels automatically to maintain ideal lighting conditions throughout the day. A floating center console houses a large curved touchscreen display, inspired by Jaguar's latest infotainment systems. At the core of the cabin is an AI-powered control system that manages lighting, temperature, entertainment, navigation, and energy usage. Voice commands and touch controls make everything intuitive and seamless. A premium surround sound system turns the entire motorhome into a private cinema experience. The kitchen area blends sophistication with functionality. It includes a flush induction cooktop, convection oven, energy-efficient refrigerator, hidden storage compartments, and elegant stone-inspired countertops. Every surface feels high-end, yet practical for extended travel. Moving into the private master suite, the 2026 Jaguar Motorhome delivers true grand touring comfort. The king-size smart bed offers adjustable support and climate control technology for optimal sleep. Integrated wardrobe storage, ambient night lighting, and panoramic skylights create a tranquil retreat on wheels. The en-suite bathroom continues the luxury theme with marble-inspired finishes, digital shower temperature control, premium fixtures, and a rainfall shower system that delivers spa-level comfort wherever you park. Underneath its refined appearance, the 2026 Jaguar Motorhome is expected to feature a powerful dual or tri-motor electric drivetrain. Instant torque delivery ensures smooth acceleration despite its size, while intelligent all-wheel drive enhances traction and control across different terrains. Adaptive air suspension continuously adjusts ride height and damping to deliver a composed, cloud-like driving experience. Advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane centering assist, collision prevention technology, blind spot monitoring, and intelligent parking support make handling this luxury motorhome effortless. On the road, the cabin remains whisper quiet thanks to electric propulsion and advanced sound insulation engineering. Vibration reduction systems ensure a smooth and serene ride, turning long-distance travel into a relaxing journey rather than a tiring drive. Industry estimates suggest the 2026 Jaguar Motorhome could be priced between $310,000 and $450,000, depending on battery configuration, luxury customization, and advanced technology packages. Limited production numbers may make it a rare and exclusive choice in the luxury RV market. While planning charging routes and managing energy consumption remain important for large electric motorhomes, Jaguar's innovation and design expertise position this vehicle as a statement piece for those who value performance, style, and comfort equally. The 2026 Jaguar Motorhome isn't just transportation, it's grand touring redefined for the modern electric era, a moving expression of elegance, power, and intelligent luxury. Thanks for being part of the Grand Motorhomes family. Hit like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more insane luxury motorhome reviews. See you in the next video.